All right, guys, the reason why I came out to this event was because of John Steingraber. I knew that he was doing a lot of high volume in real estate, and I just needed to really come here and find out why. I mean, just him sharing his tips, secrets, the stuff that you don't read in books, it just blew my mind a lot. I mean, something that he just gave us was Google Voice. My God, like I get goosebumps just thinking about it. There's so much that I didn't know that I'm just so aware of it today that I'm just plugged in. I'm very amped and plugged in. I've been in real estate for about 7 years. My first year, I acquired 8 rental properties with no knowledge. And my year 2, I lost them all. So I kind of got very scared to own rentals again. So right now, I'm only doing wholesaling full time, but I really do want to transition back into building a portfolio and doing flips. And I think the information that John is giving me a lot of confidence, go back into that reality, have full faith and confidence in myself, and just get it done. It's so much opportunity, and I just don't want to miss out on anything. It's so much more that I didn't know was out there as far as a perspective. So I realized that coming here, John helps give you many different perspectives and details to it that can save you thousands of dollars. I realized today, even wholesaling, that I left a lot of thousands of dollars on the table of not fully executing, helping the sellers to the full potential. So I'm realizing today that, you know, just having a different shift in perspective can save you so much money and make you so much money. Honestly, I am going to sign up for John's program, and just something today that he gave me that has nothing to do with real estate, as simple as it is, was hold yourself to a higher standard. You hear it a lot, but I guess the way he gave you that perspective of holding yourself to a higher standard, when he said it, I kind of started daydreaming of what does holding myself to a higher standard mean, and I never had that vision before. So I'm really excited that just that little shift in the mindset can really make me grow just in not just in my business, but in my life, my family, I think overall. And I'm just really thankful just to be here today. Motivating ain't even the word. He gives me goosebumps. I'm just ready, guys. I'm just ready to receive everything he has to offer, you know? If you guys aren't here, I don't even know what to say. You're missing out on something that could save you thousands of dollars. He's giving you information that can make you hundreds of thousands of dollars. I'm from the Philly market, so I've never touched $500,000 properties, but the way John is just explaining the numbers, that's all it is. It's just math. 1 + 1 = 2. 100 + 100 gives you 200. My fear of the bigger numbers is going out the window. So guys, if you guys have any type of fear, I like to believe John is going to eliminate a lot of that, give you straightforward answers, tips and techniques to help you overcome a lot of that and just execute, take a lot of action, apply yourself, and like I said, hold yourself to a higher standard.